Nobody ever woke up and said that they want to eat kale and spinach, but you know how important it is to your body. So what do? I drink it. And I'm down here at Restoration Cafe in Manchester in between Union Street and Chestnut Street, and we're gonna try their fresh juice that has lots of vitamins. Come on, let's go explore. There's Tom, the owner. Tell us about Restoration Cafe.
Restoration Cafe is inside the Flats apartment building. We are a clean living cafe featuring juices, smoothies, fresh coffees, clean food for real people is what we like to say. Dietary restrictions, you name it, we want to keep you nice and clean and healthy and fed well.
Man, I just got my juice. It is a green juice loaded with all sorts of stuff. Tastes so good. Well, come here, take a look at this where you can hang out. You can hang out here. You can have your juice and hang out here, have your breakfast, have your lunch. Fantastic spot. Restoration Cafe, right in between Union and Chestnut. Come on down, try it out, man. Peace.